So when finding the GCD, let's find the GCD and LCM of 12 and 18. Let's start with the GCD. GCD tunatafuta divisor, the greatest common divisor. Let's look at the divisors of the factors of 12 and 18 using the rainbow method. Yeah, the rainbow method. For the rainbow method, we set by 12. Let's set by 12 here. We're looking for the divisors of 12. The first divisor is upon 1 is to we have 1 here, and then we have 12 here. We draw our rainbow here, the final qualifier. So 1 times 12 is 12. And then the next one is 2. 2 here. We have 6 here. 2 times 6 is 12. Forgive our rainbow. Then next one is 3. We have 3 here. And 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Then we have our rainbow there. So the next one is the word 4. 4. Tunaachia hapo, 4 is already here. So hatuwezi kwa hapa. So let's say that the factors of 12. The factors of 12. The factors of 12 are the factors of 12 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now let's do the same with the factors of 18. Let's say 18. And let's start now. 1. Let's start with 1 here. And 1 here. 1 times this is 18. Let's go this way. And then the next one is 2. Let's 2 here. 2 times 9 is 18. That way. Then the next is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 cannot divide 18 fully. 5 cannot divide 18 fully. 6 can divide 18, but since already tuko na 6 hapa, tunaishia hapo. Then tunasema factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now from these factors, let's find the common. The commoners. Let's start with the commoners. The commoners will be 1 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 4 is not here, so it's not common. 6 is here, 6 is here, 12 is here, 12 is not here. Now from this common, which one is the greatest? From this common, which one is the greatest? The greatest is 6. Greatest common divisor is 6. Now that's the GCD. Now let's look at the LCM. LCM. For the LCM, tunaangalia multiples. Tuangalie tena divisor, tuangalia multiples. Now let's look at the multiples of what? 12. Multiples of 12. Multiples of 12. We have 12. 12 times 1 plus 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, ngapi? 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. Haya, multiples zinaendelea na zinaendelea. Tunataka tu the list. Tunaweza mpaka kusini, but for tunataka the list. Now multiples of 18. Multiples of 18, we have 18 times 1, 18 times 1, 18 times 2, 18 times 3, 18 times 3, 18 times 4, 18 times 5, 19. Endelea hivyo. Now these are the multiples of 12 and 18. From these multiples, we want to find the least common. The least common. Now is 12 common? 12 is not here, so 12 is not common. 24 is not common. 36 is here. 36 is here. So 36 is common. We stop there. Because these are the least common. Yeah, there's another common, but we want the least. Yeah, we want the least. So the least common multiple. The least common multiple is 36. Now that was the listing method, and the listing method is in our Java 2 for small numbers. The easiest one is prime factorization. We want to use prime factorization. In this case, let's find the prime numbers of 12, the prime products of 12 and the prime products of 18. How do we do it? So easy. Let's start by 12. Let's start by 12 here, and then we can start with any number. Let's start by 2 and 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Now 2 is prime. Let's leave it that way. Let's go to 2, and this is 3, and this will give us 3. Now these and these ones are prime, so it's going to 2 squared times 3, and the other side of 18, we have 2 here, we have 9 here, we have 3 here, we have 3 here, then we have 3, and then we have 1 here. So in this side to corner, in this side to corner, 2 times 3 squared. Now with this prime factorization, the GCD will be the numbers with the list. We'll find the list powers. The list powers from here and here. We just put the GCD, the list powers. In this case, 2 squared times 3. This case, 2 corner 2 squared times 3. Apart corner 2 times 3 squared. For the GCD, we'll take 3. We'll take these 3. We'll take these 3 to corner the lowest power. To corner 3 and to corner 3. So we'll take these 3 to corner the lowest power. So we'll have 3. And for 2, we'll take this one to corner the lowest power. So GCD will be 2 times 3, which is 6. Now for the LCM, we'll take the highest powers. The highest powers happen 2 squared. 2 squared is the highest because upon 2 squared upon 2. So it must be 2 squared to the highest. So it upon 2 squared, then times for 3. The highest in 3 squared. 3 squared. That's an 3 on highest power. So inside it upon 4 times 9, which is 36. But still, you can find the GCD and the LCM using the tables, the table method. Let's use the table method. Above the table method, stop for now 12, and then 18. Naweka pamoja, and here we'll find the common divisors. The first common divisor is 2, which here is 6, and here is 9. The second common divisor is not 2, because 2 cannot divide 9. So the second common divisor is 3, which is 2, 3. From here, we don't have any common divisor that can divide 2 and 3 at the same time. So our GCD is 2 times 3 for 6. For the LCM, between the same ones, tutakuwa tuna focus on multiples. So hapa tutaangalia divisors, tuta focus on multiples. So 12 and 18. Here tutafuta prime factors mpaka 1 mpaka tuwe na 1. So tutakuwa na 2 hapa, hapa ni 6, hapa ni 9, hapa ni 2, hapa ni 3, hapa ni 9, hapa ni 3, hapa ni 1, hapa ni 3, hapa ni 3, hapa ni 1, hapa ni 1. This for the LCM, so itakuwa itakuwa 2 square times 3 square, which is 9, which is 4 times 9, equal to 36.